again. I will repeat on page 39 about how does a flower transform into a fruit or changes into a fruit. In this session, we are going to please observe this diagram or this chart carefully. You have to observe this chart carefully, teacher. I will explain on it some items. For example, this is the apple tree. The adult apple tree, what does it give us? Flower. This flower, it has the pistil, which is the female part. What we can find, Zahra, in the pistil? Ovary and ovules, excellent. This ovary and ovule, how does the ovule become? How does the ovule become? Seeds. They will turn into the seeds. Excellent. In this part, or in this case, in this step, the petals wither. The ovary swells, becomes bulbed and large. The petals they fall off, as in the leaves in autumn. They fall off on the ground. The ovary becomes bigger and bigger till it becomes an apple fruit or a fruit. This fruit, what we can find inside it? Seeds. It contains seeds and so on. Okay, teacher? I repeat. So, if we have, for example, an adult apple tree. This adult apple tree has a flower. In the flower, as we know, we can find male parts and female parts. Excellent. The female parts include the ovary and the ovules. This ovule will turn into seeds. Thank you, Muhammad. Will turn into seeds. This seeds will it's found in the ovary, inside the ovary. This seed is found inside the ovary, which becomes bigger and bigger to be a fruit or an apple fruit. Excellent, teacher. In the apple fruit, what we can find? Seeds. We can find also seeds. These apple seeds will turn into excellent apple fruit another time. Very excellent, student. So let's repeat from the beginning as we said before. What happens, or we have to pick out from the document, from this document we have to pick out what happens to each part of the flower. For example, the petals. What happened to the petals? All the answers are written inside your book. Lin Rammal, what happens to the petals? What happens to the petals? Wither, yes, excellent. Petals wither. Okay, only that, Lin. Thank you, Lin. Only that. Let me ask now Khalil al-Saba. Khalil, what happens to the ovary? How does the ovary become, Khalil?
What happens? Ovary grow bigger and
Okay, Khalil, what happens to the ovary?
ovary grow bigger and bigger.
Excellent, the ovary grows bigger and bigger. We didn't get any of the answers of our own. We have to pick up them from the document, okay? They are written inside the document. So the ovary grows bigger and bigger. Let's move now. What happened to the ovule? What does the ovule become? What does the ovule become, Yara? Seed, excellent. So the ovule becomes a seed. Let's write it. Ovule becomes a seed. And this seed, as we said, will turn into fruit. Yes. In this case, we are speaking about only the apple tree. But in other cases, the seed will turn or transform into a fruit. Now, the second. So, in your opinion, why should the seed be protected? Why should the seed be protected? Now, Mariam Atrisi, so what is your opinion?
The seed should be protected because they grow into new plants.
Yes, because it will make a new plant or it will be a new fruit, as Lynn and Hawra said. Excellent students. Now Abdul Qadir has another answer.
Teacher.
So Abdul Qadir has an answer like to Maryam, that it will be as for this seed will turn into a new plant. Excellent students now. So let's write the answer now. The seeds, please write the answer. Start your writing, Habibti, on your copybook. The seeds should be protected. Should be protected because they will become a new plant, as your friends Lynn, Maryam, Abdul Qadir and Hawra said. Now, from the online students who are at home, you have to solve I complete. I have to choose one student who has the correct answer. Inside the flowers, the ovary will change into what? And the ovules will change into what? Now, Ali Munzer, please. Ali Munzer, please. Start writing, start reading I complete and solve it.
Inside the flowers and the
Ovary.
ovary change into fruit.
Excellent. The ovary will become bigger and bigger to be a fruit. Excellent, Ali, continue.
And the ovules.
Yes, the ovules will change into what? Into seeds. Excellent, students. So please, you have to write the answers. Start Ali Sadiqi writing. Changes into fruit and the ovules change into seeds. Please, teacher, you have to finish writing this exercise. So, in the next question, you have to conclude or to sum up the information about the flowering plant or the main parts of a flower. The main parts of a flower are what? Which parts are the green ones? Which are the colored parts? You have to name the part, okay? Each part mentioned. So you have 1 minute to start or continue solving this exercise, and you will take +1. You will take, +1 for the full correction. So for the number 1, what are the green parts of a flower? Fuad, please can you repeat your answer? Sepals, excellent. The next one, what are the colored parts of a flower? What do we call the colored parts of a flower? Petals. Thanks, Muhammad Abi Haidar. So petals are the colored parts of a flower. Lin Rammal. The pistil is the what reproductive organ? Is the male or female the pistil?
Wait. Teacher, what did you say?
Okay, teacher. I said that the pistil is the female or male reproductive organ. Yes, teacher, is the female reproductive organ. Excellent. Now, Zahra Tarraf. Can you hear me, Zahra, carefully?
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Yes. The stamen is the what kind of reproductive organ? Stamen.
Amen.
excellent is the male reproductive organ. So the stamen is the male while the pistil is the female. Now, هنا the ovary changes into what? Into fruit, حوراء, while the ovules change into what? Seeds. Excellent. There is a new word here called fructification. This word means change into a fruit. Please, you have to write the meaning of fructification. Change into a fruit. Fructification means the flower, when the flower changes into a fruit. So, when you finish writing this page, you can leave the meeting. Thanks for watching and joining us.